5 core exercises, 1 complete workout. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to build real core strength. Today we're covering planks, hanging leg raises, cable crunches, Russian twists, and bicycle crunches. 5 moves for complete core strength. Exercise 1, the plank. No equipment needed here, just your body weight and a flat surface to hold this position. Keep your core braced tight, like you're about to take a punch, and don't let your hips sag down. Hold this position for 30 to 45 seconds, breathing steadily throughout the entire hold. This exercise builds deep core stability, strengthening the muscles that protect your spine every single day. Keep your neck neutral by looking slightly ahead, not down at your feet or up toward the ceiling. Now let's move to exercise 2, hanging leg raises. Exercise 2, hanging leg raises. All you need is a sturdy pull-up bar. This one really challenges your lower abs. Raising your legs up, keep them straight and controlled, avoiding any swinging from your hips. At the top, bring your legs up to at least hip height, squeezing your lower abs hard. Lower your legs back down slowly. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 controlled reps. This exercise specifically targets your lower abs. Keep your core engaged throughout to avoid swinging. Now, exercise 3, cable crunches. Exercise 3, cable crunches. You'll need access to a cable machine with a rope attachment for this one. Crunching down, curl your torso toward your hips, leading with your chest, not just your arms. At the bottom, pause and squeeze your abs hard, holding that crunch for just a moment. Rising back up slowly, resist the cable the whole way. Aim for 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. This exercise targets your upper abs with added resistance, building real definition over time. Now exercise 4, Russian twists. Exercise 4, Russian twists. You can do this with just your body weight or add a dumbbell for extra resistance. Twisting side to side, rotate from your torso, tapping the dumbbell near the ground on each side. At full rotation, really squeeze your obliques on that side before twisting back the other way. Now twist to the other side. Aim for 3 sets of 20 to 30 total twists, staying balanced throughout. This exercise builds strong, defined obliques. Keep your chest up and avoid rounding your back. Last exercise now. Number 5, bicycle crunches. Exercise 5, bicycle crunches. No equipment needed, just you, the floor, and full core engagement. Bringing one elbow toward the opposite knee. Rotate through your torso like pedaling a bicycle. At the point of contact, really squeeze your abs before switching to the opposite side. Now switch to the other side in a continuous pedaling motion. Aim for 3 sets of 20 to 25 reps each side. This exercise hits your entire core, upper abs, lower abs, and obliques, all in one continuous movement. That's all 5 core exercises. Now let's see what consistently training like this can actually build. 5 exercises, 1 complete core workout. Save this for your next training day and follow for more. Train like this consistently, and this is what a strong core looks like. Planks, hanging leg raises, cable crunches, Russian twists, and bicycle crunches. 5 exercises, your entire core covered.